Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for day 153. This was a Monday, January the 30th, 2023. So I had a trip to Tampa for a medical appointment. That's maybe almost 2 hours away. 2 hours there, 2 hours back, and then I was there for a few hours. So that's pretty much an all-day activity for me. I went to Tampa, and that was successful. Had a good trip. And when I came back, I was not in the mood for exercise. So this was one of those rare occasions where I only got on the treadmill for 1 minute. 1 minute to say that I've been doing it and I have not missed a single day. I usually do 45 minutes, but today I only did a minute. And then I got on the dialer, and similarly, I only did a little bit on the dialer. I worked on books, I worked on power, the solar business, and then I went to bed early because I was just exhausted from the whole day. So that was it, day 153. Let me know if you have questions, comments, like, comment, subscribe. What am I grateful for today? I'm grateful for law enforcement. Um, I'm grateful for everybody who participates in law enforcement. So not people that I want to do business with, but I'm glad they're there. I'm glad that they are keeping our streets safe. And I think a lot of times there's a lot of bad things happening. There are corrupt people, but by far and away, most law enforcement people are really good people, and they have a very dangerous job, and they need our gratitude and respect. So they can continue to protect us. Otherwise, we are all going to descend into anarchy, and that's something I don't want to see. So grateful for law enforcement, grateful for all first responders, but in particular today, I'm grateful for law enforcement. All right, if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe. I will talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.